We all know the problem, right? Power strips. We have cords, bricks, AC adapters, and we can never get them to fit right. That's why we turn them inside out, we move them upside down, we block our power switch. It just isn't efficient. That's what's great about Pivot Power. We've crafted this thing to be flexible, so you can turn it into whatever direction you need to in order to fit all of your devices and plugs. So go ahead and plug in all those cords you never knew what to do with, and that's Pivot Power. A product invented together by Jake Zion and 709 people around the world.
ما هو الحب؟
El amor es ser feliz.
الحب هو أن يكون سعيدا.
أنت على حق.
Tienes razón.
Yo siempre tengo razón.
イタリア語でウサギは何と言いますか？
Che ne dici di coniglio in italiano?
Un coniglio è un coniglio. Coniglio.
Coniglio.
Coniglio.
Coniglio.
Coniglio. Coniglio.
Coniglio.
Perfect.
You weren't always here. You worked your way through the ranks. And along the way, you learned never to compromise for quality. Introducing the Truss from Brainwaves. The Truss is all metal made from die-cast aluminum. Using powerful 3M VHB tape. Provides convenient storage for both your work and play headphones. The Truss, only from Brainwaves.
According to a recent estimate, 85 million people in the United States alone are involved in jobs that primarily involve sitting. This couldn't be good for your health, could it? I've always been a health freak. The sitting disease first hit me when I started working at a large corporation where I sat most of my day. I spoke to a number of people and realized it wasn't just me. This is why it's not surprising that Wired magazine calls sitting the new smoking, and you're probably doing it right now. And that's why we built Cubii. Cubii is the world's first under-desk elliptical device designed specifically for your workplace. It's sleek, modern, and sexy, making it a true delight to use and see. Over the last 12 months, we made multiple iterations to ensure the perfect look, feel, and posture. This ensures that your Cubii lets you get some basic exercise without any distraction from regular work. The right alignment ensures that your knees do not hit the desk.
There are many fitness trackers out there, but we wanted to make something a little different. We wanted to create an actual source of exercise. Cubii comes with Bluetooth, which wirelessly connects with our mobile app, and this lets you keep track of your progress and share it with friends and family on social networks. And if you're already using a fitness tracker, the app connects with those as well, so all you need is one app. There were concerns about sweating and getting distracted while using Cubii, so we did a beta test and got very positive results.
I used to get restless at work, sitting for long periods of time at my desk just working on my computer. But actually the Cubii smooth motion actually gave me something to do and concentrate on, which allowed me to concentrate on my work and improve my productivity.
To spend less time sitting, people are now switching to solutions like treadmill desks and standing desks. Well, they tend to be very expensive, costing anywhere between $1,000 to sometimes even $4,000. And secondly, they require a complete change in your office furniture, and you might not have the space to do that.
I love how the Cubii is so compact. It fits right under my desk. And the best part is that it's affordable. I could purchase it myself without needing any approval from my manager or HR.
Cubii also comes with an adjustable resistance, allowing you to easily pick an exercise intensity of your choice.
Based on my prior experience and my degree in kinesiology, I find that a product like the Cubii would be an excellent solution for a very large population of people. A product like the Cubii would be ideal for individuals working in an office setting who want to be able to burn a few extra calories as well as stimulate their entire metabolism while at work, as well as accomplishing their daily tasks.
Being a gun owner is not just buying a gun. You must always be prepared. You have to be trained. You are your gun's safety. When it's not on you, you want to know it's secure and accessible. Safes are not always accessible or easy to open, especially in the dark. And locks are a nuisance to operate. As for smart guns, well, smart guns are a dangerous concept. Taking an unreliable technology and embedding it into your gun is not a smart decision. Our mission is to bring you the perfect solution. Introducing Zorax, the new generation of gun storage. Zorax is caliber specific and has two modes. The first mode is awareness. If someone tries to tamper with your gun, you're immediately alerted. And when you need your gun, charging it will eject Zorax and chamber a fresh round. The second mode is when your gun is locked. When Zore is locked, no one can charge your gun. If someone tries to charge your gun, the locking mechanism will immediately expand, preventing the gun from being loaded. Special polymers in the locking mechanism prevent any damage to the barrel. Zore has developed a revolutionary unlocking mechanism, Rapid Dial. Rapid Dial is a simple mechanism which counts clicks while you turn it. You don't need to start from a specific point. Even the direction that you turn the lock doesn't matter. These two factors allow you to unlock your weapon without looking at it, even in the dark. You can choose a simple code or any length code you wish. You won't believe how fast and simple it is until you try it. You can also open Zorax from your phone, but you can only lock it by physically pressing the lock button. Zorax normally communicates with your phone directly through Bluetooth. It also comes with a Zore bridge, a Bluetooth to Wi-Fi router. When plugged into the wall near your gun, you'll be made aware from anywhere in the world if your gun is being tampered with. Now, if your home is your safe and you don't lock your gun, but you still want alerts, we have a solution. The Zore Watchdog. The Zore Watchdog is not a lock, but rather a notification device. Its sole purpose is to notify you if your weapon is tampered with. Zorax was invented by veterans of elite IDF technological and combat units. We worked on it for 2 years, bringing it to perfection. Zorax allows you to be ready, aware, and safe, more than ever before. Join the Zore revolution. Own your gun.